welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm bringing you a delicious treat. They're called Senoritas, which are puff pastries filled with vanilla pudding. So I'm also making them filled with chocolate pudding also. So let me tell you the ingredients that I have here in front of me. I have 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 cup of milk, 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I have a box of puff pastries here. I'm using 1 sheet of these because I'm using the other sheet another time. I also have some chocolate pudding, which I'm gonna make. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start making the Natilla, which is the vanilla pudding. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk to the pot, and I'm also gonna add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, so here goes the cornstarch. Stir this around. And right now you want to just basically keep an eye on your pot because you don't want the cornstarch to lump up. Okay, so this is done. So the puff pastry dough, you want it at room temperature so you can handle it better. So I'm not going to roll it or stretch it, anything like that. I'm just going to brush the excess flour off of it. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to just cut straight down here in the middle. And you're going to cut along the lines. And just follow the line. It's easy. Okay. And we're going to just cut it in half. So let's make sure. This looks about a half. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I have 6 pieces. Put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. So I already preheated the oven. So now I'm just going to take these over and put them in. So I'm gonna let these cool off for about 20 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and fill them. So next step is to cut these open along the line. You see the little one right here? You're gonna cut it this way and go straight to the other end. And be careful not to break it. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to get a plate. And we're going to put this here. Okay. So this is going to be the top. This is going to be the bottom, and that's going to be the middle. So we're going to start off with the chocolate. Okay. So we're going to put this one on top. Now you can put powdered sugar if you want to, or you don't have to. I'm not putting powdered sugar in this because it's already sweet. I'm going to put the powdered sugar on top. And let me just add one more dollop. And I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator because this is a pudding, so I want this to stiffen up a little bit more than the way it is now. And then you just put this on top like that. And that's one. And I'm gonna do the next one. This is the bottom. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, that's the bottom. That's the top. And we need one more. I'll put this in the middle. Okay. So we're gonna do this one with Natilla. Okay, so we're gonna put this here. That's the bottom. Not the dollop. And if it comes out on the side, don't worry about it. That's the whole beauty of this dessert. Okay, so I used a salt shaker to put the powdered sugar in. So this is powdered sugar, and I did that so that I can distribute it evenly over the Senoritas. So I'm gonna start off with the top, this first one. That way I get everything evenly. Well, here they are, my delicious Senoritas. Look at how pretty they are. I made 3 Natilla and 3 chocolate pudding Senoritas, and they came out absolutely beautiful. Well, guys, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good night. God bless. And I'm going to enjoy eating these. All right, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.